Good morning. My name is Dr. Petrikovsky. I'm professor of obstetrics and gynecology, and the facts and ideas discussed in these videos doesn't have to necessarily agree with the opinion of the institution I am affiliated with. A number of years ago, when Zika was in full force, I can clearly recall a number of pregnant women who acquired Zika virus after relationship with their husbands who traveled to Florida or other places. And that particular virus did significant damage to the developing baby. In view of that facts, there is numerous questions whether coronavirus may be affiliated with any such problems. Today, there is really no clear data to address that issue with scientific clarity. However, there is a very small article published in JAMA that discusses the fact that COVID-19 viruses RNA were discovered in the sperm, and previous data on the autopsy results also demonstrated the presence of the virus in the genitals. So the question is whether it can, number one, whether it could be sexually transmitted, and number two, whether it can cause long-term damage. The answer to the first questions at this point is relatively clear. There's really no documented cases of sexual transmission of COVID-19. On the other hand, what's very important to understand that about 80% of people had no clue where they got the virus and whom they got it from, which is clearly not the case with Zika virus when there's a clear mosquito bite, or HIV virus when there is some exchange in body fluids one way or another. So therefore, at this point, there's really no clear documentation of COVID-19 being sexually transmitted. So that's a good news. Regarding the long-term effects of the virus and the questions whether it can cause infertility, male or female infertility, whether it can affect people long-term, at this point remains unclear. I think we should stay optimistic because we don't see any clear evidence except for the presence of the virus in sperm and genitals, which is explainable because in stage of viremia, the viruses are all over the body, can affect pretty much any part of the body. So therefore, we just need to hold our breath and wait for further research in this area. Thank you and stay safe.